exploding can.
Times 3. Whoa! Full stand. One. You get that?
Fuck? I don't know. I don't know whether we can go back now.
I don't want to.
This is a bad idea. That's 6. You know what? That was really bad.
It was. Yo, what the fuck?
Everything's in the fire with you at 1 minute. Yeah, that's the last one. That's the last one.
Okay, you can go check them, Tyson.
No, because the first one was the explosion.
Guys?
No, stay there, stay.
Yo, Hawker, man.
Okay, we're gonna take this.
Yo, I feel like we're like medieval times, like rolling like a big like sheep. I don't know why I said sheep. Yo, we're all like fucking. You're like such a pan.
Fuck off. Big sheep.
Where'd you find it? Take it.
Oh,
What's my hair? Yo, turn the lights on. Turn the lights on so we actually see if the can's still there. Videos have you taken?
I don't know.
We're in the medieval times.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
You guys scared?